Hey you guys, and welcome back. I know it's been a while. This is part 2 of the kitchen renovation makeover. So we're actually starting to, stuff is starting to actually happen. Let me fix my little lighting. Okay, all right, it's better. All right, you guys, so today, I don't know if I showed you guys in the earlier clip, but I kind of started to frame out the kitchen island. But that's gonna pretty much be your part 2. It's gonna be about, it's pretty much just demoing everything. And then walking you through like what we're gonna be doing in terms of the new cabinet layout, which is not really changing very much. But let me show you guys. So I framed out, I got 3 2x4s and I framed out the new island. So I made these out of 2x4s and just screwed them to the existing island. I'm going to be covering up this shiplap because I don't want that look anymore. I just want to do a smooth look, so I'm going to be covering that up. We decided to go with the iron ore color instead of the tricon black, just because I like that color better. But anyway, and then of course this top is going away. It's going to be quartz countertops. So we're going to go ahead and finish framing out the island today, and then we're going to be taking down the microwave, backsplash, and all the bottom cabinets, which is super exciting. So that's gonna be what part 2 consists of. I know you guys, it's been a long wait. It was, we were going back and forth about what we wanted to do. Do you want to do custom cabinets? Do you want to do it ourselves? So I'll kind of discuss that later in like the final reveal. But right now we're just gonna go ahead and hop right into it. I know you guys have been waiting. I've been waiting. I'm tired of living out of boxes in my kitchen because my whole kitchen is boxed up. So let's go ahead and get started. So I picked up this board from Lowe's. I had them cut it down to size, even though I ended up getting it cut too big, so I had to end up going in and cutting a little bit more off myself. So we're gonna go ahead and frame out, cover this new backing up, and then go ahead and frame out the sides, and then do the decorative trim. So let's go ahead and get started, you guys. I'm super excited. Again, it's been a long time coming for this part 2 of the kitchen renovation. So let's go ahead and hop right into it. So let me go ahead and get my nail gun together, and then I'll be back and I will go ahead and get the nails and the boards on. So catch you in a few seconds. All right, guys, so I have my nail gun. I just got one of the little corded ones because I cannot find the batteries in my other one. So I'm using this instead. I went and picked it up. I think it was like $30 at Lowe's. It's like a little 18 gauge. I think 18 gauge. I'll have to get, I'll show you guys what it looks like. But it's like this brand. So this is what it looks like. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and nail in this back piece first. So it's the next day from the started on the kitchen out. Let me show you guys. I had to stop because I got busy at work and I have time for me to clock in. So I put the first board on. I'm gonna go ahead and put these side boards on. And then what else is happening today? Oh, microwave is coming down today. I'm gonna finish trimming out the island. I'm getting ready to take all of these cabinet doors off and the drawers. Because we're pulling the cabinets out today, so it's gonna be like kind of like a demo day / like kitchen island kind of trim out. That's what's happening today. I'm waiting on my mom. She's on the way here now just to give me some supervision. Make sure I don't go crazy. But yeah, so let me go ahead and finish trimming out the sides of the island, and then I'm gonna have to cut these internal pieces here. These internal pieces here, you see that? I'm about to cut those down to size, and then go ahead and add. I already have the side pieces cut. I'm gonna go ahead and trim that out, and then pull the cabinet doors off, and then we can go ahead and start pulling out the sink and then taking the countertop off. So super exciting. So let me go ahead and get that done. I'll show you guys how. I'm gonna first go in and cut all the trim boards, the size for that a little bit bigger. And then once I do that, then I'll come back and then I will show you guys how I install everything. So let me go ahead and put these sideboards on. Let me show you guys how I do that. Let me grab mine.
We got to be careful because that little glass hitting our face is not good.
That's why I told you pop it everywhere. Got one cabinet out. I'm gonna put a hole here, a hole here, a hole here. I'm about to kill him. Look at that. She's trying to go hold my husband. She ain't finna leave to the cabinets to get out. Yeah, she might want to stop. So we still got this cabinet.
She about to business fall down.
Oh yeah, you been a struggle. This cabinet was out.
This ain't for the goddamn faint of heart, this baby.
so it's day, what's that, day two of the reno. So we had to go and get some reinforcement, y'all. Which Hercules over here, they hurt her back. They hurt her back. So we went and got a new tool. Let me show y'all what we got. Cause baby, that tile, we couldn't get that off last night. Let me show y'all what we picked up. So we got a multi-tool. Let me show you. So it comes with all of these little bit of attachments. So we're gonna give our hand at this. All the cabinets were out last time. I'm gonna show you what the cabinets look like. I kind of did like a dry fit, all but the corner one. So these two are gonna go here. This is the sink cabinet. Of course, dishwasher is gonna stay. The Lazy Susan is gonna go here. So, and then the pot cabinet here. So, whew, so y'all. Okay, that was. All right, y'all. So let me put this new little tool together because I need to cut the hose for the water line, the plumbing behind the stove. I mean the plumbing behind the sink, from up under the sink, and then once I need to cut the dishwasher hole. So I'm gonna go ahead and work out the new tool. Ooh. Me book. So let me get this new tool together and I'll show y'all how I cut the hose out. Okay, yeah. So yeah, I can't do that. Yeah. Oh y'all, we put all the cabinet pieces, the base, like the actual base in the trash, and they did pick it up today. So this is cute. Ooh. Powerful? Powerful, you said it. Alright, so let's see. And it comes with this little blaze and this little cute little baggie. Oh, and it has like a charging station, y'all. How cute that is. How much was it? It was $99 from Lowe's. Oh, and it has like a little sanding pad. This little blade. What blade you want to try? We came with a lot of sanding pads, Mom. Man, I'm supervising today. Yeah, she didn't quit on me, y'all. She been not sending me that Fashion Over card. She didn't quit. So it comes with these little two blades. Then it comes with this bigger little blade. Oh, and then it comes with this little round saw. Which one do you think we should try? I think I'm gonna try this one. What we doing with it? Cutting the backsplash out. So yeah. All right, so I'm gonna try this one first, y'all. And if that one don't work, I'll pull out the other one. But this is what the blade looks like here. I don't even. Oh, she can be able to bed. Is it? All right, y'all, let me figure out how to put this in here, and I'll come back when we start to actually make the hose. I gotta figure this out. Let me read the instructions. And thank God for my brother, you guys. I had to kind of call reinforcement. He came right in, and literally he got all this backsplash down this side in like 20 to 30 minutes, like literally. So I'm glad he came through and helped me get it down because we were really struggling. So quick update. So my brother was able to take all of this out, probably like 30 minutes, y'all, literally. But the problem we're running into now is that this side It's not on, like this side was on cement backer. This side is directly on the drywall. So he's gonna have to, we have to take all of this out. So we're looking, I'm trying to find somebody to, I'm gonna try to contract somebody out to come in and just put all new drywall, because I don't have time to be trying to patch this up and then like, no. So because this already has a hole anyway, so we're gonna think about just doing a whole new drywall on top. So that's what we're waiting on now, because I don't want him to take this out and then it'll be sitting exposed. I can't even be living like that. So we're waiting to see which the guys will come out and go ahead and put new drywall out here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and install the cabinets, the bottom cabinets. So that's what we're waiting on now, y'all. But it's just a quick update on what is going on. But yeah. All right, you guys, and it is the next day. I think it's day 4. I believe it's day 4 anyway. And yeah, so my brother is the it's actually later on that day. So we were just still going in, and we took all the rest of the backsplash out, and we patched up that wall where the microwave used to be. We took that down as well, and now we're just installing the cabinets, getting everything level so we can go ahead and get those installed. So yeah, that's what we're doing today, pretty much just installing the cabinets, and then we end up patching up that hole where the microwave used to be, because we took that down as well. All right, you guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and end part 2 here. This will be up on Thursday, so let me know what you guys think in the comments below. All the cabinets have been screwed down, and they're screwed into the studs. They're all level. The microwave is finally down. The backsplash has been removed. So we made a lot of progress in this video, you guys. Let me know what you guys think about the progress so far, and I'll catch you guys in part 3 of the kitchen renovation makeover. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.